What a great workshop tonight. And this is a takeaway that I have from the workshop. It's not one that I expected. So when we think about social media and cell phones, we're probably thinking about kids using them. And certainly they are using them. And there were a lot of suggestions that were also provided and resources that were provided. But the message I felt was also targeted toward parents. And I think that's so important because you've probably heard of absent presence, where like someone's like right there, but because they're on their digital device, there's no connection going on. Well, what about like absent parenting, where you're the parent, but you're on your device and not connecting with your child, especially when they need you or you miss a moment. The researcher, Dr. Grant, talked about some of the things that happen when there's that absent parenting going on because they're looking at their digital devices.
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and I'm headed out to Northwood High School to get a workshop from Dr. Don Grant that's being offered to our school community and beyond.
And we just want to welcome you all here.
My name is Steve Lowe. I'm a mental health specialist here at Northwood High School. And tonight we have a special event. We actually have the topic left to our own devices.
It's being offered to our school community and beyond on digital citizenship, as well as managing digital devices.
And just being able to talk about the fact that devices, our phones and such, are obviously a very big part of our lives and create a huge impact. And sometimes, we can get in that position where we're trying to figure out how we control our devices rather than our devices controlling us. We think that this is such a huge topic, and so therefore we had a chance to partner with Newport Healthcare.
I work with families and individuals who are looking for mental health solutions.
To actually bring in one of their own staff members. He's actually the national advisor of healthy devices and management of devices for Newport Healthcare. And he's going to be here tonight to present on this really important topic about strategies that give us opportunities to have better, healthy management of our devices. So we're glad that we had this event today. We actually pushed it out to all the schools in the district, and we hope that it's going to be a great event and an evening of learning and discovery.
So where I went kind of thinking about what can we do for students, I'm kind of leaving thinking about what can we do for parents.